Yes, I can't wait until I hope somebody very special asks me to go. There you go. Okay, so hello? Yeah. So what's up? Hey. Yeah. So you're going to the prom too? Oh my god, you're so funny. Stop it. Yeah. So how's your mother? She great? Does she still hate me? Oh, I'm glad she likes me now. Me? Really? Oh my gosh, are you serious? Yeah. Oh, shut up. No, no, seriously, shut up. I'm just kidding, no. Yeah. Really? Oh my gosh. Of course I'll go to the prom with you. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I'm ready. Yeah. Hey. Okay. Hey. Um, what colors are you gonna wear? Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry. You're so funny. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Hey, I'll call you back right back because I gotta, do something. Not really. Okay. Oh my gosh. He finally asked me to the prom. Oh my gosh, I gotta call my friend Adriana. So happy. Hello, Adriana. Yeah. Um. See. Um. See. I don't know how to explain it, but um. It's like a long story, but it's like a cute story. So, can you stop saying uh-huh? But it's like a long story. And yeah. So, remember that kid that I've been telling you about? Hmm? Yeah, that one. Well, he asked me to the prom. Yeah. Yeah. You liked him? I'm sorry. Oh, good, you're kidding. Oh gosh. I thought you were serious. Yeah. Hey, I'll be right back. I'm back. Hi. So, yeah. What? Oh, I love you too. I asked a sister. You know that, right? Yeah. Really? Why did he break up with you for? Man, that sucks. Well, it's a good thing though. He wasn't that cute. Yeah. Well, yeah. I'm gonna call you right back. Okay? No, not really. Yeah. Alright. Well. So, I just got out the phone with Adriana. Of course. And now, I'm making a video because it's all fake. I was talking to Adriana, but I wasn't talking to the boy. It was Adriana all the time. She did not know what I was saying. She didn't know why I was saying it. But it's funny because it's all a made up video.